could call you. And everything I can remember. How bad it all may seem. The consequences that are rendered. I stretched myself beyond my means. It's been a while since I can say that I wasn't addicted, and it's been a while since I can say I love myself as well. And it's been a while since I've gone and things up just like I always do.
Hey, how are you?
But all
Awesome.
that seems to disappear when I'm with you. And everything I can remember. How fast it all may seem. The consequences that I've rendered.
Hi, everybody. How are you? The show is about to start in 5 minutes. Oh boy. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, all righty then. There you fucking go. So, I do have a very nice possible short on the S&P 500. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Great GBP yen trade today. Yep, it was a great one, right? So, here we are again looking at the same fucking thing over and over and over. Same thing, different day. Trap. Consequences that all have. Let's have a look at what we have here. So, how are you, guy? Good day, Herb. If you want to chat, just subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. Guys, if you want to chat with me, that is, right? If you don't, that's fine. Whoa. That's the rooster. Hey, they come to snuff the rooster. Oh, yeah. I'm fine, Ron. How are you? Haki. Hiki? I don't know. So basically, I am going to play some shorts here on the S&P 500 right here. Right here. Now, targets. Let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. I mean, I guess I should be targeting the lows of the New York session. Let's have a look at the hourly chart. I guess so. Yeah. I mean, there's this breaker, right? Key level or so, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Here. Rum bum bum. Yeah, something like this might be a good target. Yeah, they come to snuff the rooster. You're not subscribed to the channel? What do you mean, ABOB? Are you able to chat here without being subscribed to my channel? What the hell, man? What the hell? All right, so I'm going to place this S&P 500 just above this zone of liquidity here. I'm going for 0.3% risk. I took a big winner on that S&P 500, no, on that GJ, and I'll just put it here for the time being. Um, it's 4.4, so I guess a little less. I'll put it here for the time being, and then I'll just enter. All right. I'm up 55.8% in a month so far. It's been an amazing month for me, mate. Congratulations. How much have you been risking? How much have you? I saw your. I saw your Instagram message, mate. Good morning, Orlando. ¿Qué planes tienes para el oro? Busco comprar en el. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know. I haven't looked at gold. I'm just gonna send this to my VIPs. So hold on to your horses. Hold on to your horses. Hold on to your horses. That's my entry. So do you think gold will come down towards the imbalance weekly? You know what? Advanced Life. I was looking at that. I was looking at that. So we are going to have a look at that because I think it is quite interesting zone. A new VIP trade. SPX 500. So it's a sell limit that I want to get involved in. I want to sell. I want to stop loss. I want to sell. TP. All right. So my risk is 0.3% on this one. Risk is 0.3%. I'm going to record the video for my VIPs because, pricing in CFDs differ from broker to broker. Now, the structure high on this one is the London session high. Very obviously, right? So heads up to this. Oh, I need to send it. Hold on. All right, everybody, how are you? This is my possible trade on the S&P 500. I'm looking at the SPX 500. You might have the US100. I don't know. I don't know what CFD the broker that you're trading with offers, but don't look at price levels. Look at price history itself, so you can find my entry area. So basically, this market is extremely bearish and has been since the highs here, right? Now, I am looking for a continuation lower in this move. During the London session, we got a surge of sellers jumping in and weak players in the market getting trapped, trying to short on the previous broken lows retest, right? That's the trap, creating that liquidity. I am going to enter at above that liquidity. I would, I could in fact place my entry higher, but I do want to get filled on this trade. So I am okay with, getting filled a few ticks below my normal entry zone. Should this trade play my direction? So just find out that high on the 5-minute chart after the drop and place your entry above. My stop losses are above the London session highs, and I am targeting, my friends, that 1 hour key pivotal level. I'm going to show you here, that 1 hour key pivotal level right here for a nice, 4.4R. So that's my trade, mates. That is absolutely what I'm looking at here on the open. All right, let's have a look at what we have here. I don't know if I'm going to get filled. I mean, no one can ever know that. Good morning, team. How are you? If you want to chat, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's free. And thank you. We are now 1,000, no, 10,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm trying to grow it. So you subscribing, liking the video, etc. helps me out a ton. Buenos dias, Godspeed Freeman. Hey, Godspeed Freeman, I wanted to talk to you. You live in Las Vegas, right? So I'm going to Vegas possibly on October, for that 90s festival music. So can you hook me up with, somewhere good? Because all hotels I mean, the Caesars is booked completely. All hotels are, they're triple their normal fee. So I was looking at, the last time that I was there, I stayed at the, it was okay, but it was not on the strip. So it was, I don't remember. Um, I remember the Mandalay Bay. I think I stayed at Cosmo. El Cosmo. Who's playing? No, I stayed in the Mandalay Bay. I think I don't know, but can you hook me up? I mean, just let me know what good hotels with. Good. I don't want a cheap hotel in Reno or off the strip, but a hotel, a nice hotel, you know, um, with a casino because we're there to gamble too a little bit. So Tim, yeah, I mean it's a '90s. I think it's a '90s music festival. All these '90s band playing. I don't know. All right, so yeah, I don't know. I mean, send me a message on Instagram. I'll send you my dates from there. Maybe you can help me out. Uh-uh. Ahorita estoy en un live, mijo. Estoy en un live. All right, so let's wait for that open. The casino opens in 10 minutes or so. I had that F1 strategy long, but after the break of the London session lows. Thank you, Godspeed, Freeman. Maybe we can have a drink or two if. Uh, right. So I had that one. I scrapped. Oh shit! I scrapped it. Scratched it. I scratched everything. So I'm flat right now. I am flat. Um, well, I do have this SPX 100. Just waiting for the market open. Well, if the market opens and price breaks with the lows with a ton of strength, then I'm going to delete my order, and I am going to be done for the day, done for the fucking week, actually. No need to push trades. Well, there's absolutely no reason to do so. So, yeah, let's wait and see what happens. 9 minutes. We have nothing. Consumer sentiment at 8 a.m. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, this US dollar, Canadian dollar long again. I was not going to front run the news, but this didn't create a true divergence, so I scrapped it and removed rise. Yeah, did not create a true divergence, so not for me, baby. All right, so what's up, everybody? I've been risking between 1 and 3% per trade. Well, that's a big ass risk. For me, I risk maximum 0.354% per trade, but that's me. Those you don't need to trade. Good for you, actually. One. Yeah, there's nothing going on. Oh, gold. Let's have a look at gold. So I was looking for possible longs in gold right here, actually, on US data. That would have been a great trade. Ooh, did I miss it? I think I did. So here was, that was a, mm, damn it. Well, you know what? I can't, can't win them all. That's insane, right? Or can't catch them all. But yeah, um, I'm digging this S&P 500 long. So I'm gonna wait for that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna wait for the open. I'm gonna look at the S&P 500 now. Um, Same thing. I mean, on the Nasdaq. On the Nasdaq, the setup is again very clear too. A little bit clearer, if you ask me. Here's that trap that I always talk about, guys. Um, you risk zero max 0.4, but it takes you a longer of time to fulfill the challenge. Yeah, I'm in no rush. I don't need to trade a funded account. I mean, absolutely no rush to get to the 1 million. I could be risking I could be risking 0.3% per trade, but you know what? I would have blown my 100K challenge already because I was in a drawdown. So I'm in no rush. But that's how I trade, mate. I mean, that's how I feel comfortable. I wouldn't trade a funded account or a challenge. Um, ooh, ooh. So yeah. So Emmanuel Montes, he looking to place my sell order on SPX 500, but I can't find on AvaTrade. US100 is not at. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Can someone explain to me? Yes. I mean, you want to go to the US 500. This is the S&P 500. The US 100 is the Nasdaq. Oh shit! Did I mistype? No, I didn't mistype it. Why are you doing this for work for free? It's not for free, mate. It's not for free. It's not for free. I upsell some products. I upsell my VIP, signals channel. I upsell. Eventually, will upsell my course where I will teach this entry model and have a lifetime access to my chat room where we'll discuss this entry model every day. And I upsell the F1 strategy. So it's not free. All right. So, but yeah, I mean, there's a ton of information here, right, that I give out for free. Um, and you know what? I only get 50 viewers every time I go live, so I want to grow that. Can you help me out by subscribing to the channel, please? I will fucking appreciate it. So yeah, everything. I mean, it's a business model. I give some little cookies for free, and if what I do makes sense to you, you can buy my products. That's why I do it like this. I hide. I mean, I'm absolutely transparent about everything. So even on why I do this, leave a like too. That's right, Tested Funman, and a comment, and link it. All right, 3 minutes and a half. I found this site yesterday. So, this is El Salvador time. I want to go New York. So we are, 3 minutes and a half away. I had to do some stuff on Singapore time, and I suck at converting time, mate. I super suck at converting time. So I found this site. No, I haven't received your EA through support, so I'm gonna ask. You're welcome, James Barry. Ah, gold. I don't have a trade for gold, man. I missed it. I missed my entry long in gold. Right here in 1914, 1914 or so would have been my entry, so I missed it. Nothing to do here on gold on my side today. Now you not So less than 3 minutes, almost 2 minutes. Hmm. Oh, oh. So the reason that I didn't even look, I'm sorry. The reason that I didn't even look at a possible gold trade this was because we were so close from high impact news, right? And I have already made 0 0.5, 0.5% on my GJ, GJ longs, so I was okay. What about Euro USD? Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, I have nothing here on Euro USD. GBP USD also nothing. I mean, I'm not trading the US dollar unless we pull back on it. You know, I'm very focused on this S&P 500 short. However, oh, can we look at your US 100 setup again? I don't have a setup, but it's the same thing. I would be short around the 14 or so. Hold on, we are about to open. The casino is about to open in 40 seconds, so yeah, let's focus on that S&P. Thank you, JG. Mm. Hi, Bogdan. How are you? All right. We are 15 seconds away till the casino opens and everybody brings in their money to be burned in the market so we can get some volume in it. All right, 5 seconds. There you go. Market opens. Yep. Oh, so market opens and not a ton of selling pressure here on the S&P 500, so I like that. Gold, yeah, absolutely crushed at the open. Um, I don't have an entry in gold. I'm not trading gold anymore, or today, just trading the S&P 500, guys. Yeah, and this is a waiting game because yeah, because we need to reverse about, let's see, from low to high for my entry about 0.5%, and which is what the S&P 500 is down right now. So it needs to come back to even for the day for us or for me to be able to get short. What will happen now that inflation tend to reduce? They will start thinking lowering the interest rates. Is that implying the DXY will go up or down? Well, mate, I will do a free session on that. I'll do a free session on that next week because it seems like a ton of people want to know about that. So have a look at the pound USD. This is a trappity. Trap 2. Hold on. I'm taking off this hoodie because it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. they come to snuff the rooster. How about gold at 19 and 1273 for long? 19 12 70 19 what 1273 for long? No, I hate it. I missed my entry, mate. That's it. I missed my entry, so I can't get in on this trade. So look at the US 100. Wow, everything crashed. I don't think I'm going to get filled. Oh, we'll see. I'm not deleting my pending order just yet. I'm not deleting my pending order just yet. Yeah, I believe so too, Godspeed. I am not. Hmm. You know what? In hindsight, I could have entered on this pullback since it was right at my entering goal, but that will be chasing, in my opinion. It's not a clean setup. It's not a setup at all. That would be chasing a setup that I missed, so I don't do that. To answer your question, Tim. News about to hit the market in 30 minutes too. That's right, Sergio. I'm short already in the US 100. Well, good luck to you, mate. I don't enter the market without a proper setup. I never chase the market. I let price come to me. That's why for some people it's kind of hard to understand what I do because I buy into very weak markets and I sell into very strong markets. Oh, shite. You know what? I'll use my hoodie because there's coffee all over my desk. I have this thing with oranges. This is not an orange. It's called a tangerine. I don't know. The peels, the peels. I leave them here in my desk because I like to let them dry. And when they're dry, I like to break them and smell them. They smell amazing, like potpourri. So yeah, I am hated here in my household because I leave tangerine peels all over the fucking place. But yeah, what can you do? I dig it. All right, so any questions? If you have any questions, I will keep this live on. If not, I'll probably just log out and wait on the news by myself. You know, no need to be here. Um, it's good for your sinuses. Yeah, that's right. Oh. Your is a swing trade. Well, Godspeed. Good luck to you. Hey, don't forget to send me that message on Instagram, mate. Wow, 2 days ago. Why don't we have a look at that? Sorry. So you are short from the highs here. Well, fuck, man. Congratulations. All right, we are having. My trading week went okay. Okay, profitably made. Was a good week. I had a couple of days that didn't get triggered, but that's just a drawdown for me. Not getting triggered. I don't have. Let's have a look at swing trade for gold now that everybody's asking. Now hourly. I don't know, mate. I wouldn't wanna. If you're talking about swing trade, you wanna know about longs in gold. But you know what, mate? I absolutely hate going long here. Even at these lows around the 1891, I would. My entry for gold longs all the way down here at the 1834. Now that's a risk to reward ratio. I'm not gonna go through my entry or my thought process here, but wow, why is this yellow? But this is possibly the setup that I'm going to trade with the swing trade group, mate. Something like this. Yeah. So heads up to that. But for the time being, I'm just going to day trade gold to the downside, not looking for longs. Crypto bull coming. Yeah, I've only been focusing on US 100. Mate, if you focus on just 1 to 2 markets, you're going to be golden. You don't need to trade every single fucking market. In fact, that's a good way to burn money. All right, so there's nothing to do here other than wait. I am definitely. What news do we have? So we have consumer confidence. No, consumer sentiment. That might be. I mean, just have a look at this. I don't know what's going to happen, right? But possibly. I mean, if we have good news here, that might be the rally towards my entry that I need for possible shorts. So, all right. Okay, guys. So if you are part of the VIP group, you will get an update on this. If you're not, you are not going to get an update. Heads up to the DXY top in here. That might look at that. That gave us that entry. That was a good entry after all long on the pound US dollar. I didn't have a setup. That's why I didn't trade it, guys. I don't trade without a consistent setup. You know, that's not what I do. But it was a good entry long on the USD. I missed my entry long on. Oh shite! Look at that. That spike low really fucked all of these players. I would have not gotten taken out. Hold on. I would have not been stopped out on this spike low in gold because my stop losses would have been below the structure low, which is this one right here. But I would be in very, very nice profits at the moment. Again, I don't trade without a setup, and I missed this one right here. Actually, I think that I would have been stopped out of break even on the rest of my position because no, I wouldn't because 1.5 R would have been all the way up here. I don't know, but again, I would be. Not too many A setups today. Patience is key today. Exactly. I just have this one. And depending on how the news goes, the market is going to either move up or down. I mean, that's normal, right? If we have bad, I mean, if we have good consumer sentiment, the S&P 500 is going to rally. That might be just a short-lived rally towards, my entry towards the liquidation of these weak players. I don't know. So it's left to be seen. But that's it for me, guys. Have a great weekend. I will update the VIPs on this trade, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Cheers.